Welcome back to Outdoor Skills Made Easy. You know, when you're out camping, your toiletry kit becomes very important. It may not be as important as a first aid kit in an emergency, but it makes your camping adventure a lot more pleasant for you and for the people around you. So let me show you what I always take on my kit. As we showed in other videos, when I go car camping, this is what I take for all of my clothes, and I put 4 or 5 days worth of clothes in here in individual bags. But I always know that on the end of this pack, I have my toiletry kit, and it's always in the same place, and it always has the same things in, so I know exactly what's there. Let me share with you what I have in my kit. So you can create your own personal kit that stays with your travel gear, and you replenish it when you return home, so it's ready to go for your next adventure. But here's some of the things that I like to have in my kit at all times. First, some soap. Biodegradable is best. And then here I have a microfiber towel. So that's actually a full-size towel, and it's wonderful. Make sure you take your deodorants. If you're dry camping, then wet ones or wet wipes are really valuable to have. Q-tips are great, and in an emergency, fire starter, that's awesome. Don't forget to brush your teeth, so my toothbrush, toothpaste, and some dental floss. One of the interesting things that I keep in my kit along with my dental floss is a needle and thread. Well, the thread is actually the dental floss. And so there have been multiple times when I've needed to repair a pair of pants or a shirt, or even to repair a tent. And the dental floss is extremely strong. So throw in a needle that you can accommodate a dental floss, and you'll find times that you're going to need that. Chapstick. Generally we would have in our backpacking kit a non-scented hand sanitizer, but this is just what we've got today in my kit because we're not backpacking. I like to have my Gold Bond powder for me, and then of course a comb to make me look good, and my nail clippers. For the women, make sure you have your personal hygiene products, and then some Ziploc baggies just to put things in if you need to pack them back out. And finally, as we come to the end of our video, I want to remind you, we've talked about this in a number of videos, but put your toilet paper in a baggie with a Ziploc so that you can pull from the inside out, and it's magical. It's much better than trying to find a large leaf. I'm just saying. I hope that you take a few minutes to put together a hygiene kit for your next trip. You can make it very personal, put in the things that you need specifically, and it'll make your trip so much more enjoyable for you and for your friends. I hope that you'll do that, and I hope that you'll join us again at OSME TV.